Hey there, students! Want to boost your online reputation without breaking a sweat? Today, I'm sharing easy tips to keep your online presence sparkling. Grab a pen and let's dive in. First up, build your own website. Keep it simple and update it monthly. Add fresh blog posts to show you're active and engaged. Consistency is key here. Next, write 3 to 5 positive articles each month. Use the third person to sound more credible. Publish these as guest posts on other sites. This will help bury any negative content lurking out there. Don't forget about social media. Start with the primary platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Keep them active and naturally growing. Share useful content and engage with your audience. Now for some insider info. Use the suppression spreadsheets provided in your course. These are gold for managing your online reputation. They'll guide you on what to focus on and when. And here's a bonus tip. Use AI tools like InVideo AI to create more videos, or ChatGPT to structure and write new articles. These tools can save you tons of time and effort. You'll find access to these AI tools in the notes below this video. Remember, your online reputation is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep these tips handy, stay consistent, and you'll see great results. Thanks for watching, and happy reputation building. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who need it. See you next time.